Hello viewers, this is your boy Isaac. Welcome to the Cook Menu. Today, a very beautiful friend from Ghana has invited me to her house and she is going to cook something for us. Right? So I know you might be wondering who this lady is, but don't worry, she will soon meet us. Are you ready? Let's go see her.
Hi, Stuart.
Hi, Eunice.
How are you?
I'm doing good. All right, and so that is my beautiful lady, Eunice.
Hi, guys.
Eunice, are you ready?
Yeah, I'm ready, 100%.
Show us something from Ghana?
Yes.
All right, let's get in.
Yes, come in.
Now we are in the kitchen. I am here with Eunice. All right, you can see my beautiful lady here. And Eunice is from Ghana. She's going to do something from Ghana. I've already told you that we are still in Africa, Ghana. And so Eunice, thank you so much for coming on the show.
It's a pleasure.
Eunice, what are you going to cook for us today?
Oh, today I'm going to be making green soup called Ebunuebunu.
Green soup
Yeah.
called Ebunuebunu. Ebunuebunu is a Ghanaian term. And do you know where the green soup comes from?
It's from the Ashanti region. Mainly, older people make those soup, but current people, we don't really know much because I live with my grandmother. That's why I know much about it. But two apron, one for you.
I have grabbed my apron, but I don't know, always the girls are giving me blue color. All right, I'll take it anyway, so I have no choice.
Red is my favorite color.
Red is your favorite. Don't tell them. Don't tell them. Don't tell them. We are going to do our Ebunuebunu on the cook menu. So if you never heard of a green soup, the green soup is coming from Ghana, in the Ashanti region of Ghana. Let's see your ingredients.
So we can start?
Oh yes, we can start. It is always important for the ladies to be in the kitchen. You know, men, we can do this without not even washing our hands. Well, for some of us, not all men. All right, thank you. Thank you.
Okay. Now I'm gonna show you my ingredients.
Okay.
So I'm gonna move this on the side.
Okay.
So I'm gonna use spinach. In Ghana it would have been kontomire, but here we use spinach. It's the
Okay,
same
so
as-
this is spinach.
Yeah.
Okay.
That's what's gonna make the soup green.
Okay.
And that's okra.
Okra.
And that's onions.
Okay.
And that's pepper. I love peppers, so I have a lot here.
Okay.
Then this is fresh tomatoes.
Okay.
And this is superku. I know that. First,
All right.
I'm gonna go start with the goat,
Okay.
the goat meat,
Okay.
and then
Mhm.
after
Okay.
I will start with the crab.
Okay.
So normally, you know, crab when I hear in Canada we put the stuff in the fridge.
Okay.
But if you use too much crab,
Mhm.
it makes the soup goes really bad early.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. So since we'll be finishing this up, I'm gonna use a lot.
A lot.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. All right. And so we have our crabs going inside
Inside it.
together with the goat.
Yeah.
The steam one.
And then I'm gonna add the ajune,
Okay.
which is a dry fish.
The dry fish.
Yeah.
Okay.
And then I'm gonna put the superku, which is the salted. Yeah. And then I'm gonna add some of this sauce
Okay.
to it. I don't want people thinking it's a sauce that is already been made, but I just made it today.
Okay.
So it's just onions.
Just onions.
Basically, yeah.
Onions and ginger. Oh no.
No, just onions.
Just
and then I
onions.
put 2 onions in there,
Okay.
and then 2 big tomatoes.
Okay.
Normally, I look at how the soup goes and I can add one more, but I'm
Okay.
just gonna wait.
Okay.
Then I put my peppers,
Okay.
and these are all washed, right?
These are all washed. All right. Okay.
So, and then I think that's it for now.
That's it for now.
Yeah, so we're gonna put it on the fire.
Fire.
Yeah. So ready.
This is how it looks right now. All right, we have all the ingredients added, not all of them, but the majority of them added. Okay, and so once we added all the ingredients that we're going to steam, that is how it really looks.
But I'm gonna add water, but I'm just turning it on right now.
Okay, you're gonna add water?
Yeah. So after the water, then I'll add the Maggi
Okay.
to the food.
Okay.
I mashed it because I don't want it to be
Oh, you mash them?
Yeah.
All right.
Taking long.
Take long. Okay.
So I put them again, and then that's it. So these are the ingredients that goes on first.
Okay.
Yeah, for now.
For now. All right. Then, so these are the ingredients that you're going to use to steam, right?
Yes.
Right. How long are you going to steam it for?
For about, let's say, 10 minutes.
And then when you steam it,
Yeah.
okay.
It depends on how the heat is, but mostly it's like 10 minutes.
Okay.
So now I'm gonna cook the snail.
Okay.
But this is the snail.
Oh, this is the snail.
Yeah, here it looks like this color, but in Ghana it looks more blackish.
Okay.
Yeah, so I'm gonna cook it.
Okay.
And sorry, I'm gonna use this.
Alright, you have to use your hand anyways. The hands is already washed, and so you don't need to worry
Yeah,
about
and
that.
then I'm gonna put a little bit of salt.
Okay.
Just a little bit to cut the slimy part.
The slimy part. Okay, oh, so that is why you add salt.
Yeah, just a little bit. It can cut this slimy part.
Oh, okay, alright. Okay.
And then I'm gonna add water.
And then you're gonna add water. Viewers, I am reminding you that you're watching the cook menu, okay? Don't forget to please subscribe.
On the fire.
Okay. We have our snail on the fire.
Yeah.
How long are you going to cook it for?
Not too long. Let's say 10 minutes.
10 minutes.
Yeah.
Alright.
After 10 minutes, I'll check and see if it's a little bit softer.
Okay.
And then, yeah, you
And
can take
then
it
it's
out.
well cooked. Okay.
Yeah.
You know, my viewers may want to know, I said that you're from Ghana, but they want to hear it from yourself. Can you please let us know a little bit about you?
Yeah, so I'm Eunice and I'm from Ghana. But I'm in Canada now,
Okay.
obviously. But I used to, when I was in Ghana, I was in Kumasi.
Okay.
And I used to live at, I actually live at so many places.
Okay.
And then 15 years later, I moved here.
15
When I was
years?
15 years old.
I thought you said 50. Then I was
No,
going to
15.
ask how old are you?
No.
Oh, okay.
See, I moved to Canada
Okay.
with my mom.
All right.
So, yeah.
And then you've been in Canada since.
Yes,
But have
yes.
you been going back?
Several times. I went last year.
Okay.
I was there till this year.
Okay.
I think I've been to Ghana almost 7 times
7 times.
out of 13 years in
Okay.
Ghana. Yeah.
All right. And so that is Eunice, and she says she's from Ghana, the Ashanti region, which is known to be Kumasi.
So now everything is up on heat. This
All right.
is like getting softer, the tomatoes and the
Okay.
onions. So
Okay, let's see how it looks. All
it
right.
looks like that. And then the snail too is getting to a level where it's getting softer. Yeah.
Viewers, we just showed you how the meat, the crabs, the snail, and almost everything looks right now. The aroma alone can make you very hungry.
So now I'm trying to break some of the tomatoes because they're too big. And then the onions. And let's see if I can get them to squash. That's it. Water, and you just put it in. And I'm gonna stir. You see, I left one in already, so if it's not enough, I'll just use it like I said with the other one. So, and I'm gonna add these tomatoes in too. Just leave it.
What is our next step? Because right now I can see you have added your blended onions.
And tomatoes and pepper.
Yes.
Yeah. So now I have this spinach.
Okay.
Normally, this is what I buy, but normally they have different types of spinach packages.
Okay.
But they're all the same, and it's already cooked. Some
Okay.
people will cook it, but I'm not gonna cook mine.
All right. So let me
sorry.
just see. All right. And so you can see that is a chopped spinach,
Yeah.
and then it's peanuts. So I don't know what that is. It in French or what? It
I
could
think
be
it's in French. Yeah.
All right.
Okay, so this is how it looks like.
Okay.
Yeah, when you get them out, this is how it looks like.
This is
green.
how it looks
yeah.
like. All right.
So I don't cook it, so I'm just gonna put it in the blender.
Okay.
And it has water in already.
All right.
Sorry.
No, that's fine. That's fine.
Oh, I love eating this food, even like when I'm pregnant. That's like my weak point. I have to make this food like every day.
When you're pregnant, this is the food you normally pay for.
Yeah, a lot.
Oh, I see.
Yeah.
I see.
But yeah, so now I'm going to, I didn't wash the blender because I need the flavor in.
Okay.
Now I'm going to blend this.
Okay.
This is how the spinach looks so green, because you know I didn't cook it, but it looks really green. So this is how it's going to look like, and pasty. So yeah, so we're just going to wait.
Okay.
And then we're going to put it in the soup.
Alright.
Yeah.
Okay.
Now I want to check up on the soup.
Alright.
And it's going good, so I'm going to open it. And that's the snail. The snail is almost done.
The snail is almost done.
Yeah, so I'll take it out soon. So I'm going to turn off the snail. And I'm going to stir the soup. Taste the salt to see. I'm gonna take some water and I'm gonna wash the snail.
Alright. But why do you have to wash the snail?
There's sand and stuff in there.
Okay.
Yeah, so I try to get rid of some of
Alright.
them, yeah.
Okay.
After it's cooked, you know.
Okay.
You see when I put the salt in, you can't see too much of the slimy stuff. So stop that. Most of it. So I'm gonna pour some of the snail water in, and I'm just gonna leave the rest. Normally I don't put too much. Soup is just gonna be an ongoing soup till it's cooked, and then you can just add the green stuff. After it's all cooked and ready, then you add the green stuff. Then it's done. We turn it off and then just add this, and that's it. I'm gonna put the okra on. I love okra.
Oh, you love okra? I also love okra. Alright, but I think this soup, there's no way you're gonna be eating without okra. Right?
Yes, that's
it goes with okra.
Yeah.
Well, the okra, you can say okra.
So then I add a little bit of baking soda.
Oh, you
to make
what?
it slimy. So
to make it slimy.
yeah, so I'll put it on, and then when it goes up a little bit, I'll add the baking soda.
Alright, okay.
In here.
Okay.
And then we're gonna wait. So whilst we're waiting, I'm gonna make the fufu.
Oh, and so you're gonna add the fufu with the soup?
Yes. So this soup comes with, like, you can eat it with anything.
Anything?
Yeah. So fufu, rice, and some people eat it with yam. Some people eat it with apetie, which is kunkunte.
Which is kunkunte. Anyways, you guys may not know it because it's from Ghana, alright?
Yeah.
But this food can be eaten with fufu. It can be eaten with bankun. Where we're talking about the foods in Ghana, it can be eaten with kunkunte. Don't worry, I will soon bring you all those foods. Okay.
Yeah.
Alright, but why do you keep the spinach on the side for a very long time?
So I keep this for a very long time because we want the soup to cool down.
Okay.
And then we can put the green in, because if you don't do it like that, the green gets a little bit brownish. Yeah. So now this is the fufu that I got from an African store.
Okay.
And it's called kotoko.
Okay.
And I mix it with plantain.
With plantain.
Yeah. So I think the kotoko is made out of potatoes.
Okay.
Yeah. So since we're eating, a lot of people are eating it, I'm going to take a lot.
Alright.
Yeah.
Alright, and so that is our fufu right there. You can see we are going to also make our fufu because there's no way you're going to eat this soup without fufu.
Add a little bit of the baking powder, and then I'm going to I'm reducing everything. Okay, now the soup is ready, so I'm going to make it cool down. Now we're done with the soup. The soup, I'm going to add this later, but now I'm just going to make sure it cool down a little bit, and then we can add the green soup. So I'm going to put it on so that it can be a little bit. So now I'm going to start with the green. Now that the soup has cooled down, I don't see any flames coming, so I'm going to add the green stuff in, and I'm going to stir it, and you see that it's turning green. Don't just pour all of it. I pour some of it, stir it. Now it's turning green. So now the soup is green. So the green soup is all this. That's it.
Okay, so viewers, right now we have our food ready almost, and this is our fufu and this is our green soup. All right, she has made everything so perfect. But when are you going to add the okra?
The okra is when we're eating the food. We don't put it in the soup. It's when you're eating the food. But this is the basic of the soup. It's a simple soup and it doesn't take long. Some of that.
Let's go.
And then what I do is that I use the water to make it look nice. And then I just put it in. And that's it. See how green the soup is?
Alright viewers, and so right now you can see we have our food ready, and this is it. For the very first time, I am going to try a green soup.
Oh, it's your first time?
It's my first time. Though I'm from Ghana, but I've never tried a green, and so I'm going to try it.
Okay.
Alright?
And I gave you okra so that you can...
Oh, you gave me okra too?
Yeah. It's the experience of everything.
It's our green soup and our fufu. As I told you before, there is no way you can eat this food without adding fufu. It goes with it. Okay. For the first time, let me have a taste. It is hot. It is hot. You have to be careful when you are eating. One more time.
Do you like it?
Those in the camera like it, not me. Viewers, as I always say, I wish you guys are here to try it. Let me just add the
snail.
Let me try the snail. Okay, that's my snail.
It's been a
That was
while.
so great. For a very long time, I've not tried snail.
Do you like it?
This food is so great, trust me. It's so delicious, very sweet.
Thank you.
Alright.
Thank you.
If you look at the green itself, you would think it's not sweet. But remember, we first made the soup before we added the spinach.
And it's a healthy soup too. It's really
It's very healthy because we didn't even cook it, right?
Yeah.
You didn't cook.
No, it was already cooked.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, so it's healthy. And spinach, normally, you don't need to cook it because we eat it.
Okay.
Yeah, so it have like, it actually helps the immune system too.
Alright, and so as you heard, alright. So she said it helps you to build your immune system because of the green stuff that we have. And not only the green, because everything that we made is so natural.
Yeah.
Alright?
Yes.
Everything is so natural. And so food coming from Ghana, green soup with fufu, a very traditional local Ghanaian food. Eunice,
Thank you.
thank you so much
You're welcome.
for coming on the show, The Cook Menu, to show us something
You're
new
welcome.
from Ghana.